Hello guys, welcome to first more tutorial on this channel, and in this tutorial we're going to be talking about how to import any asset from Roblox game like this one for instance into your Fortnite UEFN project. It's a very simple, very quick, and also we're going to use two different softwares with like the Fortnite UEFN of course. So we need to use Roblox Studio, that the software we're gonna use to get our asset, and also we're gonna use Blender to convert the Roblox format to Fortnite UEFN files format. So without further ado, let's start our tutorial. First things first, we need to get our asset or select the asset that we need to import from Roblox. So here I have like the still the brainer map. So, and I wanna get this witch here into my Fortnite project. I have already done that, but I wanna show you how I did it. So back to Roblox Studio, we need like here from the Explorer, we need to select our asset. So in this case, I'm selected the witch. Yep. So I need to like import the witch. So select your asset from the Explorer menu here and right click, save export and export as OBJ. And now select the location that we need to import the file to. So I which OBJ or Roblox. All right, now save. Now go back to your Blender and I need to create new file. All right. Now to import the asset, so we need to click File, Import, and select wavefront.obj. And now select the location or the asset. So it's right here. So you're gonna see two different files, the .mtl and .obj. The one that ends with .mtl, it's the material file, and the obj, it's the like the asset, the 3D asset. So we need to select the obj and import with front. And once you import it, you're going to see the asset like far away. It's not centered. So to make it centered in your like Blender, so right click, set origin to geometry. And now you need to press Alt, hold Alt, and press G. And now you're going to see the material, the asset is right here. And you're going to see it like in white textures. So you need to like change the viewport. So we need here select the viewport material preview. And here is our asset. So now we need to export it. So file, export, and now export it as FBX. Now select the location that you need to export the file to. So test fx file, and I'm going to name it which UEFN. Export. Now we need to we need to import the FBX file into our project here. So we need to click import and this one. Now click on use pipeline defaults and click on import. Now we're going to see one big problem. All right. If you take a look on the original asset, you're going to see the face is green. But if you use it here, you're going to see the face is black. So here we do have a missing material. So what we need to do here is delete the asset, delete all the files, and also delete the FBX file and the OBJ file we have imported, and go back to Blender. And to see which material is missing, oh, sorry, my bad. So we need like keep the OBJ file here, like the files that we have imported from Roblox at the first time. So back to Blender and click on materials here to see which material is missing. So it's head 1, I believe it's head 1. So yep, we have head 2, but we do not have head 1. So web blender, yep. So as you see here, if you change the color here, yep, so it's missing here. So in this case, we need to make like an adjustment on head to material because like I don't know how to create new material, to be honest. So I'm going to make an edit on head to material. So use Photoshop or Canva or any photo editor software. So in this case, I'm using Photoshop. So yep, update. All right. So the original asset has like green face, but I don't like it. So I'm going to use create new material and sorry, new layer and make the like the background layer underneath like the textures here. So I'm going to use this color here because it's kind of similar to the human skin. My bad. So we need to use alt and backspace, and now we have our skin. And now we need to replace head to material. So export, quick export as PNG, and we need to select the head to material here and replace. And now we need to open new Blender file, delete this, and we need to re-import the OBJ file once again. Roblox, yep. Also, we need to do the same thing, set origin to geometry, hold Alt and G, and we need to change the viewport to material preview, and now you see the new material. Perfect. So now we need to export the asset as FPX, right? So I'm going to Twitch UEFN export. Now go back to your Fortnite UEFN, open the content drawer, import your new FPX file, click on use pipeline defaults and import. And now our new asset has new head. Alright, so now we have the complete asset with all the materials, textures, and everything. Now we need to like scale it. I think this one is perfect. Alright. Yep. So it's done. So this is the tutorial for today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and leave a comment or say something if you want to know, learn, or see anything about Fortnite UEFN, brain rots, or Roblox. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.